So I did the LinkedIn thing. I just did the message, and I did a raise your hand message like you talked about.
Yep.
And I probably did 40 of them, and I got like 7 responses. So
Hell yeah. That just shows you how damn good the raise your hand message is, because I'm not disputing that it didn't work for you, right? But it is so bad with LinkedIn. There are so many sharks waiting to take somebody's head off on there. I think you got messages because they were like waiting, and they're like, it really was a candygram. Like, he didn't bite my head off and say, hey, if you have any jobs I could quote on. You just wanted to raise your hand, let them know I'm out there. So keep doing that. If it worked, keep doing that.
Yeah. I just said, but I guess the thing is, the ones that responded, how do I keep them in my, keep my name in front of them later on?
Yeah, you're going to, and if you have to rewatch or watch this stuff more than once, guys, but course 2, ECCP, Easton Cold Calling and Prospecting, now you have a connection, so this is even better, right? Because you raised your hand. Man, I was thinking about you guys today, and there is something going on that every real estate professional in Arkansas is having to deal with. Nobody's talking about it. Go into your hook, right? There's a top little secret. Now you do your hook to start the conversation. But let's move this off of LinkedIn typing and ideally call them. If you don't have their number, okay, there's tools on LinkedIn to get their number. Okay, what is it, guys? Zoom Info is a super expensive one. Lucia's a more affordable one. Lena's got one that's way better. Network amongst, So
she told me about that. I didn't know.
Call them. If you have the number, call them.
When you finish watching this, I'm going to get you the closing mini masterclass totally free. It's normally $300. I'll pay for it. Click the link in my bio. I'll see you there.